In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share a Lovable project link. This straightforward process will have you sharing your projects in no time, so let's dive right in. First, start by navigating to the Lovable dashboard. From there, you will see an option labeled All Projects. Clicking on this link will display a comprehensive list of all the projects you have worked on. This is your project hub, where every project you've been crafting and caring for sits ready for you to explore and share. Once you see your projects listed, the next step is to select the specific project you wish to share. To do this, simply browse through the list and click on the project name. This step is crucial because it allows you to view the project details and manage how it will be shared with others. If you're working on multiple projects simultaneously, be sure to double check the title to ensure you're selecting the right one. With your chosen project open, you're just a couple of steps away from sharing it. Look closely to the right side of the screen. You'll notice a share link icon located conveniently next to the three dots menu. It's usually an unmistakable symbol closely resembling a chain link or an arrow popping out of a box. Clicking on this icon is the gateway to sharing your project effortlessly. It allows you to control and streamline the sharing process, making it exceptionally intuitive. Now, after clicking the share link icon, you'll come across a list of options highlighting how you want to share this project with your audience or collaborators. This is where you determine who gets to see your work. Whether you need a simple link to copy and distribute, or perhaps you have a more specific sharing setting in mind, such as sharing with team members only, this page facilitates all those settings for you. Take a moment to review the choices and select the one that suits your needs. This selection step is crucial for ensuring that your project link reaches the right people with the appropriate level of access. Lastly, once you have finalized your sharing preferences, go ahead and create the link. You'll have the option to copy it immediately for quick pasting into an email, chat, or wherever you plan to distribute it. And there you have it. With a few simple clicks, your project is ready to be shared with whomever you choose. We hope this walkthrough helped clarify the process of sharing a Lovable project link. Sharing your hard work and creativity should be seamless and easy, and with these steps, you'll be well on your way to getting your project seen by the right people. Thanks for watching, and happy sharing.